Coach is gonna take a little smoke in a pancake, but he don't smoke, he just pancakes. This, coach, eat this. Everyone, what?
No! What, your toenails?
Shit! I'm not gonna flip you up, you're gonna make fun of me. Touching an alien penis. Can you hear the silence? Yeah! This is for you, Ben.
No.
This is for you, Ben. I think McDonald's will deliver, but Uber, but it's $13. It's crazy. It's a lot of money. Oh, look who's here. Look at the idiot of the day. Ben Strong. Explain to me why I even turn on the live stream anymore. We have a boobs coming in, folks. We have a new boobs coming in.
Hey, Boonhunter.
British. I'm fighting Prometheus, dude. The engineers, dude. It was so like buffet style shit. That was like Chinese buffet. It was like easy money and then just hell. I didn't know what grinder was until like 5 months ago, okay? So shut your face. I'm not grinding or whatever you do on that thing. I'm done. Because there was Monster Energy drinks in my pants, in my jacket, dude. Bingo! Toasty! Another pussy with the Panzer. Another bitch camper. Shit on the Riddler's floor. Coach is a boner killer, dude. He's a wet blanket, dude. Where's Platter? Platter is gone, but Coach is here to be the wet blanket. Yep. Both of us are losing weight. Let's play Tour de France. No. British, that ain't never happening, dude. Thank you, Platter. Thank you for that.